Let's build our writing skills. Writing can be lots of fun if we practice it together. Kindly take a print of this worksheet and get started with this writing activity. Hello there! Today, we welcome you to our guided writing activity. Our topic is U-shaped lines. Imagine a curved smile, a rainbow, or cup. It has common elements of the U shape. Let's begin. Row 1. Start from the top dot, curve it down and back to the top once again. Ensure to keep going until the last U is drawn. We are what we repeatedly do. Stay on the traced dots. Row 2. Place the pencil point on the top dot. Bring it down in a curve. Let it touch the opposite dot. Continue with the top to bottom movement. Stay within the blue lines. Practice sure makes us learn better. Row 3. Let's imagine a necklace in our mind, top to bottom in a continuous motion. Good! This activity shall help us write U in the future. We can do this together. Very good work! Row 4. 4 continuous U's will help us get good control over the pencil. Top to bottom and curves is an easy way to remember the U-shape line. Paying attention while writing is great. Please complete the worksheet. Great work! Quiz time! Identify the U-shaped line from the following lines. A. C shape. B. O shape. C. Humps. D. U shape. You are so intelligent. The answer is D. Share this pre-writing class with your friends.
Stay tuned to Bachacha Box. Happy hours for kids.